welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing a quick review of Opusclip. Now, Opusclip is an AI-powered video repurposing tool designed to help content creators quickly turn long-form videos like podcasts, webinars, or YouTube videos into shorter, viral-ready clips for social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Now, let's look at the key features. The first we have is core functionality. You see, it automatically analyzes your long videos, identifies the most engaging segments, and clips them into short videos. Next is key features. You see, Opusclip offers features like AI curation, automatic captioning, often with animated styles, auto reframing to fit different aspect ratios like 9:16 vertical video, and a variety score to predict a clip's potential reach. Some plans also include features like AI B-roll, social media scheduling, and export options for professional editing software. Now, when it comes to the benefit, the main advantage is that it saves significant time and effort in manually editing long videos into short clips for social media, making it easier to maintain a consistent presence across platforms. Then when it comes to the user base, it's very popular among content creators, marketers, and businesses looking to maximize their content reach without extensive manual editing. While it is powerful for repurposing, some users note that the in-app editing capabilities can be limited compared to dedicated video editors, and the accuracy of features like the variety score can also vary. Video processing time can also sometimes be long. In essence, Opusclip is a specialist tool that excels at its core task of transforming long videos into numerous short clips efficiently, making it a valuable asset for anyone focused on short-form video distribution. So you can sign up for free and get started with Opusclip. Just go to opus.pro, opus.pro, no credit card is needed, and you get to post one clip every day for free.